Wait, come over here. Come out of Noah's room. Come on, turn around. Go back into your room. I can't believe you can ride this thing. Go into your room. Yeah, you're riding your new trash truck.
Me, Mama do.
Mama's too big. I can't ride on this thing. I would break it. You're smaller, so I think you can ride on it and it'll be okay.
Me.
Whoa, maybe it's not a good idea.
Baby, why?
The baby can ride it, yeah. Let's just do the baby.
Me, why?
You ride it. It was fun. Just be careful not to let it tip, because I don't want you to fall. Whoa, it's tipping. You see the food? You're going to clean up the food? Nice. Messy floor. Very messy floor. You're right. You got to clean. We got to clean up your stuffed animals. They all fell down. Beep. Beep. We're backing up. What are you doing? Clean? Whoa. Messy floor? Yeah, there's a messy floor. Look at me. You gotta clean. We've got to clean in here. That is cleaning up. The bun? Oh, the burger. The bun or the burger? Yeah, you're cleaning up the floor. Look, do you see the pickles? There's pickles, and then there's a slice of wow. There's a slice of tomato. Yeah, and a burger. Clean up. That's good.
Oh,
Messy floor. You made a mess.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Can you clean it up? The trash truck? Put them all in the trash truck.
Why?
You ride. Oh, you're going to clean it up that way. You're going to clean the mess? Okay. Oh, the baby's falling out the back. It what? The floor's a mess. Do we need to clean up now? Yeah, okay. Pick up? It's picking up the floor? Okay. Can you look at me and say bye-bye? It is a mess. Can you look at me? Hold on. Stay right there and then wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
See.
You want to see.